Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Solitaire class how to win. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a Solitaire class app and be sure to be logged into your account. Now the first thing is to play quickly and efficiently. The faster you play, the more points you earn, and try to anticipate moves ahead of time so you don't spend too much deciding. Second is to move cards to the foundation first. Prioritize on aces and low cards. The more cards you move, the more points you get. Third is to focus on uncovering hidden cards. Always uncover face down cards and clear columns quickly. Fourth is to use stockpile wisely. Don't draw from stockpile too soon. Plan moves before drawing new cards. Fifth is to prioritize creating empty columns. Clear a column whenever possible. Place the white king. If you have a choice between a red king or a black king, choose the one that gives you most movement options. Sixth is to alternate colors to keep moves on, and use hints and undo if allowed. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.